Blood. 1. Definition: blood is a fluid connective tissue that circulates through the body and transports essential substances like oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. 2. Composition of blood component percentage description: plasma 55%, liquid part containing water, proteins, salts, hormones, waste, etc. Proteins 78%, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, other solutes 1%, electrolytes, hormones, nutrients, gases, waste. 3. Functions of blood. 1. Transport, company, hormones, nutrients, waste. 2. Regulation, temperature, water balancing. Of definition: formation of blood cells from hematopoietic stem cells in bone marrow, a site of formation, stage of life, site of hematopoiesis, embryo, yolk sac, liver, spleen, fetus, liver, spleen, bone marrow, adult, red bone marrow, sternum, ribs, vertebrae, pelvis, epiphysis of long bones. A main process. 1. Hematopoietic stem cell differentiates into myeloid stem cell, orbs, platelet, most orbs, lymphoid stem cell, and lymphocytes. 5. Erythropoiesis, formation. Definition: process of formation of RBCs from stem cells in bone marrow. Stages: 1. Hemocytoblast. 2. Proerythroblast. 3. Basophilic erythroblast. 4. Polytraumatic erythroblast. 5. Orthotraumatic erythroblast. 6. Reticulocyte. 7. Mature erythrocyte. RBC. Required factors: hormone, erythropoietin from kidney, nutrients, iron, vitamin B, folic acid, protein, bone marrow integrity or structure and function, shape, biconcave, anechoic, lifespan 120 days, function, transport of OVFE and company. 6. Leukopoiesis, formation of white blood cells, defense cells, types of OVs, granulocytes, agranulocytes, neutrophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils, monocytes, basophils, function summary, neutrophil, phagocytosis, eosinophil, allergy control, parasite defense, basophil, histamine release, lymphocyte, immunity, T and B cells, monocyte, macrophage formation. 7. Thrombopoiesis, platelet formation, a process, megakaryoblast, megakaryocyte fragments, platelets, site, bone marrow lifespan, 17 days, function, blood clotting. 8. Hemoglobin, Eb, a structure, 4 globin chains plus 4 heme groups. Each heme carries 1 iron atom, binds 1 molecule, normal values. Gender: VL, male 13-18, female 12-16. Functions: a transport from lungs, tissues, company transport, as carbaminohemoglobin. A 9. Blood groups: ABO system, Landsteiner, blood group, antigen, antibody, donor to recipient from A, anti-A, AB, A, O, baby, anti-AB, B, A, B, B, A, AB, A, B, non-AB, all, universal recipient. A non-anti-A, anti-B, all, universal donor. O, for system or presence of the antigen or absence of the antigen important in erythroblastosis fetalis. 10. Blood coagulation, clotting, definition: conversion of liquid blood to semi-solid clot to prevent bleeding. Steps: 1. Vascular constriction. 2. Platelet plug formation. 3. Coagulation cascade, prothrombin, thrombin, biprothrombinase plus Ks. Thrombin converts fibrinogen, fibrin forms mesh, traps RBCs, clot. Important factors: clotting factors XA, mainly plasma proteins. 11. Blood circulation, blood flows via arteries carry oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery. Veins carry deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary vein. Capillaries exchange gases, nutrients, wasted. 12. Destruction of blood cells, destruction, hemolysis, site, spleen, graveyard of RBCs, Liver bone marrow after 120 days, ruptures and breakdown, globin, amino acids reused, heme, iron reused, plus bilirubin excreted in bile tubes and platelets, destroyed by macrophages in spleen and liver after lifespan completion. 13. Disorders of blood disorder cause key point, anemia, B-Ors iron deficiency common, polycythemia, RS count thick blood leukopenia, PUBs count weak immunity, leukocytosis, PUBs count infection leukemia cancer of ups, immature of is thrombocytopenia, platelet count bleeding risk, hemophilia, missing clotting factor prolonged bleeding, jaundice excess bilirubin yellow skin, and eyes. 14. Summary chart. Formation to destruction, process site main factor life span destruction site, erythropoiesis bone marrow erythropoietin 120 days spleen, leukopoiesis bone marrow colony stimulating factors few hours years spleen liver, thrombopoiesis bone marrow thrombopoietin 17 days spleen,